like to wash your face with a natural facial wash? Well, I personally like washing my face using natural facial wash. Now, there are many really good natural facial washes on the market that you can buy to wash your face, which will really help to clear the skin of pigmentation and grease and dirt. But you can also choose to make your own DIY facial wash. That is what I do. I make my own DIY facial wash using natural ingredients. So what I'm going to do for you today, I'm going to share a recipe of an homemade facial wash, an anti-aging facial wash that you can use to wash your face. This is also good to exfoliate your skin, get rid of blackheads and whitehead, get rid of dead skin cells, and once used on a regular, it will help your skin to look younger and fresher. This facial wash also can be doubled as a facial mask. You can rub a thin layer of the wash on the face, leave it on the skin for 30 minutes. It's going to dry on the skin and it's going to have to tighten and firm the skin. So what are you waiting for? Follow me to the kitchen. I'm going to share a full detailed recipe, and I'm also going to share some tips on how best to use this on your skin for amazing result. Now, to make our facial, we're going to be using rice, and today we're using white rice. Rice will help to tighten the skin. It will also help to clear the skin of pigmentation and keep the skin looking younger for longer. Now, the first thing we're going to do with the rice, we are going to blend to a powder. So what I'm going to use is about 2 tablespoons of our rice. We're just going to cover it and we're going to blend. So blend that rice to a powder. Now, after our rice has been blended to a powder, take a look, here it is, our 2 tablespoons of blended rice. Now next we're gonna add some ingredients to this. Now my next ingredient is milk, and milk is rich in lactic acid, which will help to get rid of dead skin cells, clear the skin of pigmentation. It will also help to brighten the skin. So I'm going to use 2 tablespoons of the milk, pour this in. And next I'm going to reach for some aloe vera gel. And aloe vera gel is very hydrating. It will help to clear pigmentation. I'm using a teaspoon of the aloe vera gel. Pour that in. If you have fresh aloe vera gel, you can use it in this mixture. Now my next ingredient is lemon, and lemon is rich in vitamin C, which will help to clear the skin of pigmentation. It will leave the skin bright and clear. Today I'm only using some lemon juice in this mixture. Now just let's cut the lemon into half. You can also choose to peel the lemon, which is something that I like to do. Reach for the lemon, remove the seeds. You don't want the seeds in this. And you're going to squeeze about a teaspoon of the lemon juice in the mixture. We're going to reach for some hot water. You can choose to hot the milk, or you can choose to use the extra water. We don't need a lot. We're pouring about 4 tablespoons of hot water. And now we're going to cover this. Give it a shake. Make sure to get all the rice from the bottom. And then we're going to blend a second time. So go ahead and blend. Now let's pour this out. And this is exactly how you want it to be. You want it to be very, very creamy like. And this is a facial wash that we're making. And now let's just give it a stir. And this is the consistency. Now once this is done, the way you're going to use this facial wash is you're going to take a little, you're going to apply it in your hands just like you would your facial wash, and it's going to get a little thicker when it is cooled. And then you're just going to rub it on in your hands like this, and you are going to wash your face. And notice how it is very drying on the skin. So use it to wash your face, all over your face. Also your neck and décolleté. You're going to have a bit of a granules, but that's okay. This is good for oily skin. It's going to help to clear the skin of grease and dirt. Now reach back in and just exfoliate your skin with the facial wash. It's brightened the skin almost instantly. So just rub your hands and look at that. Look at the big difference. So apply it on your face, all over your face in circular motion. And when you're done, and this is also good to remove your makeup. So when you're done, just rinse off and reveal clear looking skin. This is perfect for the face. Your skin is going to feel smooth, soft, and fully hydrated. Now for storing, if you have a bottle with a pump, you can pour this in. Or if you have a bottle with one of those squeeze top, you can pour it in. And here you have it, your rice facial wash. That's going to clear the skin off, blackheads, whitehead, smooth wrinkles, get rid of dead skin cell, while taking your skin from dull, rough skin to soft, smooth, supple skin. Now you can store this in your refrigerator for up to 7 days. When you're ready to use this, take it out. Now you can also choose to store this in your bathroom, but it's not going to have a 7-day shelf life. You'd have to use it up within 2 to 3 days. So I suggest that you store it in your refrigerator. And when you're ready to take your shower, just take it out and hop in the shower. And this is also safe to use on the skin every day. So there you have it, a natural homemade facial wash using rice. Rice is amazing for the skin. Now, if this is your first time watching, you want to see more of these videos, then do not leave without subscribing. Once you subscribe and you click that little bell at the side, you will get a notification as soon as I upload a video. Also, if you're watching and you want to be more than a subscriber, you want to become a member, well, there's a join button below. Click on that join button and choose it there. It's a recurring fee, so be mindful of that. Thank you all for watching. Now, if you like the video, this video, give it a thumbs up and leave a comment. Those I always look forward to. And guess what? If you like it a lot, share the video also. Share it on your social media page or share it with friends and family. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video.